If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. Alright, let's get started. So these are all the colors that you need, about 2 hours, and you will get it done. So have fun and enjoy. Alright, so now you have all the pieces. Let's get started with the head. At any time, if I'm going too fast, remember just pause and do at your own pace. Alright? This is looking good, so let's work on the side part of the face. Actually, at this time I didn't really speed up with my video, so if you feel it's going too slow, go at your own pace too. So now we have the face. Let's work on the top, and always remember to follow with the color so it's easier to understand how the pattern goes. Now let's move on to the back. It's very quick, right? So this one is kind of like the hair sticking out from the middle of the head. So you will just insert that one. I think I struggled for a little bit, so I switch it to the other side and it works. So these are the connector for the bottom to connect with the body later. Yay, we're moving on to the body. Alright, so let's start with this piece. You see the long one that I was pointing? That is the tail. So we will follow the pattern based on the direction. So on this piece, the long one will go to the front, so it will be opposite of the tail. And then let's build both sides at the same time so it's an easier balance. So this piece, second piece, the long white one, follows the tail. So you can see I'm pointing the long one, and then you will flip it and then facing the tail, goes to the same direction. So here comes the little pieces. These are the arms, and you can see the holes on the side, and that's where we insert the arms. How cute, right? See, now we have the base and we're gonna move on to the back. So yeah, follow the tail. I found this pattern extremely easy because you just have to follow the color code, but applied to other 3D perlers too. A lot of time we just have to focus on the colors. Okay, all right, let's move on to the bottom part. So this part will be a little struggle, but before that, I want to switch the pieces on the side to one another because I feel that there's a little gaps. So sometimes when it doesn't work on one side, maybe it works on the other side based on like how it was melt. So after I made the switch, it actually looks way better. The gap is smaller. So this piece, we will have to fit in there, and you will notice that there's a little hole to put that long piece in there. So you just have to play around with it and be careful because I noticed I kind of break that little bottom piece and I have to hot glue it back. So just have to be careful and take your time. There's no rush. Look, we got the body ready, so let's move on to the top. Okay, so the red part facing forward. And also, if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you can get alert for more new videos like this. Thank you. So you can see the little yellow piece kind of rip off a little bit, but I use hot glue later so it works well, but here I'm just gonna put it on. Yay, so now we have the body and the head. Let's connect them together and have the finished piece. If you have any questions, wanting to know how to iron the pieces perfectly to build these 3D perler, go to the link above on the top and then you can check out my 101 video. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.